place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Well, today is kind of marking the end of an era. We've decided to sell the airplane. It was time, the markets were right. Next time I fly it, by definition, it will be under new ownership, at least on paper. So I think the emotions kind of hit me this evening as I brought it back from pre-buy. Everything went well, so we're definitely moving forward with it. It's going to be different. I'm so very thankful to Steve, all of the things that he's let me do with this airplane over the last 11 years, the partnership that we've had. It's meant a lot. We're looking forward to the next chapter in kind of the flying with the Phoenix experience. We already have some ideas, we have some things on the horizon that we're going to do, so we're not getting out of aviation. I'm still going to maintain all my ratings and so on and so forth, but I guess what they would say is it maybe is goodbye for now, in one way or another. So this has been an awesome airplane. It's carried me well over 50,000 miles. But I'm fully expecting some emotion when I walk away from it for the last time. And then when I come back here to pick up my car from the hangar and to see an empty hangar and know that this airplane, which I have come to love and respect just as much as it has respected me over all of these years, is no longer here. So there's more things on the horizon. And Rachel and I are both really kind of looking forward to some of those things. We have some ideas about what's next, and we'll share those once we really finalize them and figure them out. But yeah, so I guess as far as our ownership of this airplane, I'm sorry, I'm shaky, I'm on my phone. Yeah, this in one sense or another is kind of like saying goodbye, kind of for the last time.
Hello from the Ashleys. Today is a sad day. Actually, it's more like this whole weekend is a sad weekend because we are saying goodbye forever to our beautiful Bonanza. She is going to a new owner this weekend, and we are flying to a nearby international airport to pick him up. Jordan is going to be leaving and doing some instruction with the new buyer, and so tonight we are just going to help him settle in, get some rest before they take their big flight, and the Bonanza goes to her new home. We've cared for her for the last 10 years of our lives, actually 11 for Jordan. She was already in the picture when Jordan and I started dating, and so we have had the incredible privilege of flying this airplane for the last decade, and have just been really pleased with all the opportunities that it has afforded us over the years, between introducing other people to general aviation, to flying to new places, taking family, doing pilots and paws like rescue flights and all kinds of things. We've just been so grateful for what it has given us and our family, and we're looking forward to new things. For now, we're going to take you along on this quick little flight. This is going to be my last time in the airplane, so I get to give it my emotional goodbye. I cried a couple times thinking about the fact that she's going away, but Like, the time has come, the season is over, and so we're moving on to a new season in our lives, and so is our partner, and so we're just excited for what's next. Trying not to be too sad this weekend, but yeah. How you feeling?
This will be my last time in the left seat of our airplane.
That's true. Wow, I'm sorry.
It'll be okay. We've got other things coming that'll be, I think, just as fun. So I'm looking forward to meeting the new owner, doing some training with him. I think he's going to take good care of the airplane. Selfishly, I'll say not as good as I have over the last 11 years, but I think anytime you have something that you've cared for a while,
It's a labor of love.
it is. So
Yeah.
with that, we need to pile in
And go pick him up.
go pick him up.
Yeah. Let's go. We have the crew car and we are going over to pick up the new owner. We learned while we were in the air that closing has officially happened, which means she's officially sold. This is actually a joy for him because he gets to teach someone how to fly his airplane. And although we're saying goodbye, it is also fun to like teach people all the funny little quirks and nuances of a new airplane. And so, I mean, I wouldn't know. I've never taught anyone to fly. You've taught many people to fly, so yeah. So now Jordan's learning how to drive a Toyota Corolla.
Jordan doesn't drive cars this small.
We're gonna probably cut and stop talking here because once we get the new guy, we're not gonna put him on camera and make him.
Unless he wants to.
Alright, we are back. We made it. We picked up our passenger. We're gonna get up bright and early tomorrow, come to the airport, drop him off, and I'll say goodbye to Jordan for a couple of days. So, I'm sad, but also really grateful because it seems like this guy's really enthusiastic about the plane, really excited to start his new journey with it, and so we're gratefully saying goodbye.
So, we have officially pulled the airplane out of the hangar for the last time. So things are kind of starting to get real. this is going to be 1/6 November's new home. I would call this a pretty nice home for a very nice airplane.